Hey family, happy Thanksgiving. I wanted to invite you to watch how I'm going to deep fry my very first turkey. So I already have it prepped. I use this Tony Chachere's injectable butter, and I injected the breasts, the legs, down here in the hindquarters, and then I seasoned it with seasoning salt, some Cajun seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, all that good stuff. And then I sprayed my basket with a little cooking spray. And I have my gloves here for when I drop it in the oil. And then I have this clip here. So right now I'm waiting on the oil to heat up. Hopefully I don't blow up the house. Wish me luck, y'all. All right, fam, the oil is ready to go. I have it on about 325 degrees, and I turned it off. I'm going to leave it off while I actually lower the turkey into the oil. Come on out here. So here we go. I know it's cold today.
Oh my
Back up,
gosh.
back up, back up.
Look at me. Look like pee.
Well, it's not pee.
It do though.
Okay, guys, here we go. I'm going to lower this in here very slowly.
Come on, Mom.
Back up, back up.
Do it.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
All right.
Mom's cooking in.
So now,
Close it quick.
now I'm going to put the heat back up to 325. And I'm going to let that cook. I'm going to let that cook for about 48 minutes because it's 3.5 minutes per pound. It's a 16-pound bird. So I'll see y'all in about 48 minutes. Get one more close-up, Ash.
Oh my god.
Look at it go. Look at it go.
I don't want to drop it in.
It has been about 20 minutes. I just want you guys to take a look. You can see that it's already starting to brown there. So I have it at like 325. I'm going to go ahead and turn this up to about 350 now. And that's it. 30 minutes to go, roughly. I'll be back in a sec. It has been about 45, 46, 47 minutes or so. It is the moment that we've been waiting for. Time to take the turkey out of the peanut oil.
Have we?
Here we go.
Oh no.
Oh no. Very slowly. Back up, honey.
Oh no. I've got a bad feeling about. Oh my.
Oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh, we're stuck on something. Okay. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Isn't it?
So let that drain for a second. Now I'm going to bring it back up. I'm going to let this drain for a second and take it in, and then we'll do a temp on it to see if it's 165 degrees.
Okay.
But, all right, let's take it in. All right. All right, guys, we are ready to check the temp here. So we're going to just jab it into the thickest part of the bird. Press it all the way down. Let's look at this temp here. Where your finger, boy? So. All right, we are just hitting 165, so we are good to go. Bam. Got it? Back up a little bit. So I'm gonna let this drain on a baking rack.
Oh! Okay. Oh. Oh my god.
Okay, never mind. We'll get it out another way. So here is our turkey. I finally got it out the basket and onto the baking rack. Don't ask me how, but it was a process. But here we are. And I put my little turkey leg holders out there because the legs were starting to separate. But that just means it's juicy, y'all. That's all that means. But it's a beautiful brown, and I'm going to let this rest for about 30 minutes. So our turkey has been resting about 35-40 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this bad boy and get a little taste. A little taste.
Can I taste?
Of course.
Can I
Oh
taste?
my goodness.
Can I taste first kind?
Oh my goodness.
Can I taste first?
Oh, it's so juicy.
I'll get some of that. That is super juicy.
It is juicy. Come on. All right, guys. My first deep fried turkey turned out pretty darn good.
Yep.
I'm not mad at this at all. I will definitely be using my little Farberware electric deep fryer next year. This was easy. I didn't have to spend hours in the kitchen basting and, you know, doing all that extra stuff. So
I think we got in heaven. I think we've got in heaven.
turkey heaven?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm just saying, hey, I want to say hey for Thanksgiving. I hope y'all have a great Thanksgiving and the rest of the week. I'll see you next time. Peace.